Hey, 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 welcome back to Let's Talk English, the podcast where we help you speak real English like real humans. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. And Mike, before we start, I have a very important question for you today.
Oh, okay. Should I be scared?
Maybe. So, if you had to choose right now, no thinking, no time, would you rather live in a super busy city or a super quiet village in the middle of nowhere?
Oh, that's a big question this early in the episode, Sarah. Okay, city. Definitely city. Because in a village, if I sneeze, my neighbor 3 houses down says, "Bless you."
Oh my God, that is so true. Everyone knows everyone's business.
Exactly. Like I went to visit my uncle's village once. I stepped outside at 7 a.m. for fresh air, and by 7:15, his neighbor, Auntie Kamla, came running. "Beta, are you okay? You look troubled." I was just yawning.
Auntie Kamla was watching from her window at 7 a.m.?
With binoculars, probably. But hey, that's the charm of country life, right? People actually care about you.
True. Okay, so today on Let's Talk English, we're talking about city life and country life in English. And the good news is this is a topic you can use in real conversations, job interviews, IELTS speaking, daily life, everything.
And we're going to teach you the vocabulary, the phrases, the natural expressions, all inside our very honest, very funny conversation.
So stay with us because this is going to be fun. Let's go. All right, Mike, let's start with city life. Now, you said you choose the city. Tell me, what do you actually love about living in a city?
Oh, where do I even begin? Okay, first thing, convenience. Everything is within reach. Shops, restaurants, hospitals, metro stations, airports, everything is just there. You don't have to plan your whole life around one bus that comes twice a day.
Ah, yes. The word here is convenience. Convenience. It means things are easy to access, easy to get. Very useful word, friends.
And in a city, you have so many opportunities for work, for study, for networking, meeting new people, building your career. The city is full of opportunities.
Absolutely. And if you want to say this in English, you could say cities offer endless opportunities, or the city is full of career opportunities. Write these down, guys.
But, okay, I have to be honest too. City life is not perfect.
Oh, here we go. Mike is about to complain.
I'm not complaining. I'm being balanced. But seriously, the traffic. Oh my God, the traffic. I once sat in traffic for 2 hours to go 5 kilometers. 2 hours.
That is painful, and this is something many city people know. The daily commute can be exhausting. Commute, that means the journey from your home to your work or school every single day.
And city life is expensive. The cost of living is very high. Rent, food, transport, everything costs money. In my city, a tiny apartment, I mean tiny, like a shoebox, costs a fortune.
A shoebox apartment. I love that expression. Yes, cost of living is a great phrase. It means how much money you need to live comfortably in a place. You can say the cost of living in big cities is very high.
And one more thing, pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. In big cities, you sometimes feel like you're living inside a car engine.
Ah, pollution, a very important word. And in English, we can say cities often suffer from air pollution and noise pollution. Suffer from means to be badly affected by something.
So yeah, city life is exciting, convenient, full of opportunities, but also stressful, expensive, and loud.
Well said. And guys, a great way to sound fluent in English is to talk about both sides of something. Don't just say city life is good. Say city life has many advantages, but it also has some disadvantages.
Advantage means a good point. Disadvantage means a problem or a bad point. Very useful for essays and speaking tests.
Mike is turning into a teacher right now.
I learned from the best.
Okay, my turn. Let's talk about country life or rural life. Rural, R-U-R-A-L, means areas outside of cities, villages, farmlands, small towns.
And Sarah, you seem like a countryside person, honestly.
Why? What does that mean?
You love silence, you love nature, you drink herbal tea. You're basically a countryside documentary.
Okay, maybe a little bit, but let me tell you why country life is amazing. First, the peace and quiet. No traffic noise, no construction sounds, no neighbors blasting music at 2 a.m.
Oh, that sounds nice, actually.
In the countryside, you wake up to birds, you breathe fresh air. You can actually see the stars at night because there's no light pollution.
Wait, light pollution? Is that a thing?
Yes, in big cities, there are so many lights that you can't see stars properly at night. In villages, the sky is dark and full of stars. It's beautiful.
Okay, I have to admit that sounds amazing. I haven't seen a proper starry sky in years.
Right? And country life is so much more affordable. The cost of living is low. You can have a big house, a garden, clean air for much less money than a tiny city apartment.
That's a good point. Affordable means not too expensive, easy on your wallet. Country life is more affordable than city life.
And one more thing, the community feeling. People in villages know each other. They help each other. There's a sense of belonging. Belonging, that warm feeling of being part of a group, a community.
Like Auntie Kamla with her binoculars. She's helping.
She's very involved in the community. But yes, that's actually a beautiful thing. People look out for each other.
All right, let's now talk about how to compare city and country life in English, because this is a super common topic in conversations, exams, and even job interviews.
And the key skill here is using comparison language, phrases that show you're looking at both sides.
Exactly. So let's learn some powerful comparison phrases right now. Mike, you give the city side, I'll give the countryside, and together we'll make a perfect comparison.
Love it. Okay, city life is much faster paced than country life. Faster paced means things move quickly. There's always something happening.
And on the other hand, country life is much more relaxed and peaceful than city life. On the other hand, this is a great phrase to show contrast, to show the opposite side.
Another one. While cities offer more job opportunities, the countryside offers a better quality of life. Quality of life means how good and comfortable your daily life feels.
Oh, I love that sentence. You can use that anywhere. Write it down. While cities offer more job opportunities, the countryside offers a better quality of life.
And you can also say, compared to city life, country life is much quieter and more affordable. Compared to, great phrase for comparisons.
Yes, and one more. In contrast to the busy city lifestyle, rural areas provide a sense of peace and community. In contrast to, this shows you're about to say something very different.
These phrases are gold, honestly. Whether you're in an IELTS exam, a job interview, or just chatting with a friend, these make you sound so natural and fluent.
And the best part is, you don't need perfect grammar to sound good. You just need the right phrases. And that's what we're giving you today.
Okay, Mike, let's also talk about expressing your opinion, because when someone asks, do you prefer city or country life, you need to answer confidently.
Yes, and this is where many learners get shy. They say, I don't know, and then silence.
The awkward silence, we've all been there. So, here's how to start your opinion strongly.
You can say, in my opinion, city life is more suitable for young people because, in my opinion, simple but powerful, it tells everyone this is my view.
Or, personally, I believe that country life is healthier in the long run. Personally, I believe shows confidence and your individual viewpoint.
And if you want to add a reason, use because or since. I prefer city life because there are more job opportunities. Or since I love peace and nature, I choose the countryside.
And if you want to show you understand both sides, say, although city life is exciting, I still prefer the simplicity of country life. Although shows you're being balanced and smart.
These are the sentences that make interviewers and teachers go, ooh, this person knows English.
Exactly. You sound educated. You sound thoughtful. You sound fluent.
Okay, Mike, the moment has come. Dramatic pause. If you had to move tomorrow, city or country, give me your answer in proper English with real reasons. No jokes this time.
No jokes? That's basically asking me to be a different person. Okay. Serious Mike is here.
Go.
All right. Clear my throat. In my opinion, I would still choose city life, and here's why. Personally, I believe that cities offer more opportunities for my career, for learning, for meeting interesting people. I'm someone who gets bored easily, and the city always has something new happening. However, and this is important, I completely understand why someone would choose country life. The peace, the fresh air, the community, those things are genuinely valuable. Compared to city life, country life is far less stressful. So honestly, maybe one day I'd love a balance, a small house near nature, but close enough to a city, the best of both worlds.
Oh, the best of both worlds. That is a great expression, Mike. When you say the best of both worlds, it means you get all the good things from two different choices.
Like living near nature but having city access. You enjoy country air and city convenience.
Beautiful. And guys, notice how Mike gave his opinion step by step. He said his preference, gave reasons, then showed he understood the other side, then gave a conclusion. That structure works anywhere.
And I only made one joke, growth.
Growth. Okay, let's do a quick word tour before we say goodbye. Just a fast review of today's keywords and phrases. Repeat after us if you can.
Convenience. Things are easy to access. Cities offer great convenience. Repeat, convenience.
Commute. Your daily journey to work or school. My commute takes 1 hour. Repeat, commute.
Cost of living. How expensive it is to live somewhere. The cost of living in cities is high. Repeat, cost of living.
Affordable. Not too expensive. Country life is more affordable. Repeat, affordable.
Pollution. Harmful things in the air, water, or environment. Air pollution is a big problem in cities. Repeat, pollution.
Quality of life. How comfortable and good your daily life feels. The countryside offers a better quality of life. Repeat, quality of life.
Faster paced. Moving quickly, always busy. City life is faster paced. Repeat, faster paced.
Sense of belonging. Feeling like you are part of a community. Villages give you a sense of belonging. Repeat, sense of belonging.
The best of both worlds. Getting good things from two different options. I want the best of both worlds. Repeat, the best of both worlds.
And our comparison phrases, on the other hand, in contrast to, compared to, while, although. These are your secret weapons for speaking fluently.
Secret weapons, I love that.
Okay, my dear listeners, we have reached the end of today's episode of Let's Talk English. And honestly, I hope you had as much fun as we did.
We talked about city life, country life, Auntie Kamla's binoculars.
A full journey today. But more importantly, you learned real vocabulary, real phrases, and real comparison language that you can use starting today.
So here's your homework before the next episode. Go to the comments right now and tell us, are you a city person or a country person? And use at least one phrase from today's episode in your comment.
For example, I prefer city life because it offers more opportunities, or, in my opinion, country life is more peaceful and affordable. Any sentence, big or small, just try.
And if this episode helped you, please hit that subscribe button on Let's Talk English. It really helps us reach more English learners just like you. Share this episode with a friend who's learning English too.
Every share, every like, every subscribe, it means the world to us and helps us keep making free English content for you.
This is Mike.
And this is Sarah, and you've been listening to Let's Talk English. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Keep talking, keep learning, and remember, every word you speak is progress.
Bye, everyone.